Bonjour, bonjour, comment vas-tu? Promenade Française. Bonjour, bonjour, Gordon. All right, day 75 in the challenge. Good times were had by all. And we'll just check up on the unknown. Okay, it works. Okay, so we got some work to do did today. Let's jump into it right away. I got some weird news today. Um, I don't know. I've just been thinking about like some little projects that I've been working on. And this really weird idea came to jump in there's like this whole thing, Gordon, Gordon, to jump in whatever this place is where people are building stuff, AI stuff. And, at some point, it's like whatever you are a specialty, what are you good at? Like, what do you know well? What can you do to help the cause of AI? help. I mean, it's a bus, right? It's gonna come and it's gonna crush everyone. That's what it is. So why not help out in the effort? All right. Anyways, today we got some work to do. Do you see any words in here? XESJBL. What's BOLND? Blonde? Romantique? What is this? Tranquille? Uh, Dynamique? This actually used to be really hard. Petit. And then suddenly I just realized grande. You just have to read it. Sur, rien, célébrer, célébrer. I don't know what's the difference between célébrer and décélébrer. Célébrer. And then down. Triste, sad. Beau. Bouté. Dual boot. What is a dual boot? I don't know what that means. Le petit. Dun 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 dun. Chance calme. Magnifique. Joli. And brun. And jaune. All right, let's check it out. See if okay, we got the blonde, got romantic. What does she got? She got tranquil. Then there's nothing. What is this? A dynamic. Why did she add an E to the dynamic? It's not shown. That's what the heck. She definitely has the E on there. Oops. Why? I don't see the problem. Okay, anyways, I don't care. What's this? EULI. This is just a bunch of bullshit. What is this dual boat? It's bouteille. It's not dual bouteille. And what is this? And calm. Okay. It's crazy. All right. Let's do the next one. So, I mean, there's two things that I wanted to talk about. One is, can you do your homework? So, since the homework is really easy today, I'll just do it. And then the second one is, it's about AI. So the question is like, can you use AI in order to, like, for example, this thing, like, elle était très célèbre, beaucoup de personnes. Yeah, of course. She has many. She était. She is. She était. She was. She was. What is était? Très célèbre. She's very famous. Many people. Many people know her. Many people know who she is. Je passais des heures au cinéma. J'allais très souvent au cinéma. Okay, I don't know. Sounds like it's basically the same idea. Je ne me souviens. I don't often. Souvent. Je ne me souviens. What is souvent? Souvent. I thought souvent was often. Plus à quel âge? Je ne sais plus. Okay, I don't even know what that means. Elle était très célèbre. Was. She was very famous. Connaissait. En. Connaissant. Connaissant. Beaucoup de personnes la connaissaient. Je passais des heures au cinéma. Spent. Pass. Spent. I don't really want to use this. I'd rather use this one. J'allais très souvent au cinéma. I went often. There you go. See, souvent is often. Je ne me souviens. Oh, yeah. Je ne me souviens plus à quel âge. I don't remember how old I was. I don't remember. Je ne sais plus à quel âge. Je ne sais plus à quel âge. I don't know how old anymore. I don't know how old I am. 判断对错. I don't know how old I am. Je n'avais plus pas beaucoup. Je n'avais pas beaucoup de jouets. I didn't have many toys. Didn't have. Je ne jouais pas beaucoup. Je ne jouais pas beaucoup. That's not the same. J'ai souvent triste. I was often sad. J'ai toujours très calme. Mon grand-père et mon grand-mère, mes grands-parents. Okay, that's fine. All right, jump back into these things. All right, now I'm operating like an architect. Now I'm operating as the architect. I've thoroughly reviewed history. What the heck is going on? What is this? All right, I need like simple web page to practice French grammar. Venir the infinitive based on the exercises. Can we do this in the environment right now with no additional tooling? I can provide you with the code for such a website. You would then need to copy this code, paste it into a plain editor like Notepad on Windows, Mac, and any code editors like VS Code. Save the files in HTML extension. Open that in HTML web browser. Well, I can't run the website for you directly in this chat. I can give you everything you need. Steps to. All right, so all right, so I'm using windsurf, and could you provide instructions in the form of a prompt that windsurf would understand, and then discuss the best way to create it on my local computer, my local machine. Would you like to begin that conversation with windsurf now? Want to discuss how to work together, or are you capable of running this project, or do you want to pass the project to a liaison and have it do the work with windsurf? Hey, check it out. Exemple, ton ami a appelé, oui, elle vient de téléphone. Ils sont partis. Ils sont réponse ici. Ils sont partis. Okay, this is like vérifier mes réponses. So I wonder if it has the answers. Yeah. Sorry. I didn't mean to scare everybody. This is so ridiculous. This is the next one. Okay, so rather than just asking Gemini for the answers, I created a website. This is stupid. It's not gonna. It's useless. It's just the same old garbage that I did last time. Just cheating. I'm still not learning French. Oh, I forgot to add it to the website. Where's the website? Which one is this? There we go. This is assuming the question is. Question. Okay. There you go. All right. I forgot to add it to the. Oh boy. All right. Now the issues now is like it's supposed to be AI first. So the question is, how do I add an AI element to the website so that I can talk to make it more educational. So then it has to be connected to some API. All right, save this. Add text input for your OpenAI key. For local testing, include chat interface. For the AI interaction, get a button to get AI feedback for your answers. Oh, I'd like to see what this is going to do. I'll add a text input for your OpenAI key. I'll include a chat interface for AI interaction. I'll add a button to get AI feedback on your answers. I don't see any difference. Yeah, so I think basically anybody could so everyone needs to have an API key and they can plug in their own API key. Because I'm not going to be plugging in my API key for the whole world to use. Gordon, do you want to put your API key in there? Do you have an API key, Gordon? What? You have an API? Where did you get your API key from? Gordon, where did you get your API key from? Did somebody give you an API key? Mm-hmm. Mm. All right, I'm not going to use that tonight. Maybe next time. Anyway, so interesting. Bye-bye.